Everyone, how's the schedule? Monday morning is a good schedule?
Yeah.
Not so.
Thank you. Our minds are still fresh.
Okay, that's good. I hope you had a good rest over the weekend and it's not it's very stressful. It's a nice way to enter the week. Leave the stress point to the people who organized this over the weekend. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen of the media, esteemed guests, good morning. Thank you for being part of this significant milestone. Your presence today signifies your support for Meadowcrest, Heartwood Village, and Federal Land, as well as your support, your commitment to the growth and prosperity of Biñan, Laguna. So over the weekend, we were very preoccupied because last Friday, they just opened a new retail tenant, a new retail shop, a new player in the home furnishing industry under the name Nitori. And so we were monitoring Nitori's performance over the weekend in Mitsubishi, and it's been spectacular. And I believe they are very happy with the turnout of the first 4 days of performance, and it's a good sign. It's a good sign for the country. It's a good sign that Nitori has found a new destination in Asia, and they're very surprised with the very welcoming reception they received from the Filipino people. Now back to Meadowcrest. A year ago, Federal Land embarked on a journey of transformation, a journey guided by our steadfast commitment to innovation, adaptability, and foresight. We launched Federal Land Communities to anticipate and address the needs and aspirations of the people. We recognize that the real estate landscape is ever-changing, and it was imperative for us to evolve alongside it. Federal Land's foray into the realm of the township development signifies not just expansion of Federal Land's portfolio, but a reaffirmation of our commitment to innovation and progress. Drawing upon 50 years of solid real estate experience and expertise, we are leveraging our strengths to reimagine and revitalize our existing township properties and create new and future-ready developments. Our aim is clear: to create fully integrated and interactive townships that are poised to stand the test of time, offering enduring value for generations to come. We want to encourage residents to embrace a lifestyle that prioritizes a holistic living experience and warm community interaction through well-thought-out amenities, as explained earlier, and that promote convergence and an abundance of life. Every corner was carefully designed with delightful human-centric features, and every component will be thoughtfully selected. Our developments will incorporate well-curated retail strips, as well as plenty of recreational amenities and parklets where families can create new and lasting memories. Today, we stand on the threshold of a new chapter as we shine the spotlight on our latest endeavor, Meadowcrest in Biñan, Laguna. Laguna is one of the fastest growing provinces in Luzon, rapidly gaining traction as a perimeter growth center. A recent report by Philippine Statistics Authority revealed Laguna as the largest contributor to the GDP in 2022 among the 82 provinces at 5% of total GDP. Part and parcel of that growth is Biñan. Biñan pulsates with dynamic energy and boundless promise. Years ago, we partnered with Alveo Land to launch 2 new, highly successful residential villages, Avella and Venido. The potential of this area was as clear then as it is now. For us at Federal Land, expanding further into Biñan is a strategic choice rooted in deep understanding of the city's remarkable growth trajectory. It is a city poised for greatness, and we are honored to be part of its journey. The city's accessibility is a key factor in our decision. With the newly opened CALAX connecting Binyan to the country's top CBDs, the landscape of convenience has evolved. The connectivity seamlessly links the vibrant community we envision at Meadowcrest to the bustling economic activity in Metro Manila and weekend destinations like Tagaytay. Nestled within Meadowcrest lies Heartwood Village, the residential development that will embody the essence of the community's ethos. Heartwood Village is a sanctuary where comfort meets sophistication, where every detail is meticulously crafted to elevate the everyday. As we embark on this journey together, I invite you to join us in shaping the future of living. Let us seize the opportunities that lie ahead by building a legacy that endures, one community at a time. Thank you for your continued support, and here's to the bright and promising future that awaits us all. Thank you for your attendance this morning.